Here's the Navy Federal Personal Funding Formula nobody explains clearly. It's not magic. It's 3 steps: membership and accounts money movement, a credit profile trending up. Nail these, and you stop guessing. Step 1. Join the family the way they want. When you open membership, you drop $5 into savings. That's your ownership share. It tells their system, I'm a real member. Next, open checking. Right away. Even toss in $5 to start. Now you look like someone setting them up as your bank, not a ghost with $5. Step 2. Show real-life money behavior. Direct deposit is the cheat code. $100 a week, $100 every 2 weeks. Don't want full direct deposit? Manually move money in. Let it sit. Move it out. Activity giant balances. Their system wants to see you actually use the account. Data points even say small direct deposit beats a meaningless secured loan you don't need. Step 3. Make your credit good enough, not perfect. You don't need an 800. If you're around 600 plus and trending up with no fresh disasters, you're in play. Use their pre-qualification tool to see what you may qualify for with no impact to your credit. If you're qualified, approvals can take seconds. If they need documents, it can take up to 30 days. Starter cards to target: Cash Rewards, Go Rewards, Platinum. And heads up, Navy Federal launched the Cash Rewards Secured Card. Nice on-ramp to build credit while earning cash back. Now, the Pledge Secured Loan question. If your file is thin and you need an installment line, use a savings secured loan, no credit check. Or a certificate, CD, secured loan, no credit check. For certificate, CD secured loans, the rate is the CD APY plus 2%. One CD secures one loan, no stacking. Keep it small, $2,500 is plenty. The goal is clean on-time payments, not big balances. Need fast cash? Their personal loans go from $250 up to $50,000. APRs roughly 8.99%, 18%. Terms up to 60 months, home improvement can go longer, and no origination fee. Many get instant decisions and same-day funds if approved. Active duty and retired military can snag a 0.25% rate discount on some loans. There's no public minimum credit score. Relationship and overall profile matter. Let's wrap with the formula you can copy today. Open savings with $5. Open checking, even $5. Set up direct deposit. Push regular deposits. Keep money moving. Get your score to 600 plus and trending up. If thin, add a small secured installment. Prequel. Then apply for a starter card. Consider the new Cash Rewards, secured if rebuilding. Do this before you hit submit, and you're speaking Navy Federal's language. Quick check-in. Where are you right now?